Hello everyone, welcome to another season of CAT Prep series by Admission Committee. My name is Ayushi Jha and today we have with us Aryan Singla who scored an impressive 99.3 percentile in verbal ability section. First of all, congratulations for scoring such an impressive percentile. So could you please give us a brief introduction about yourself? What was your academic background and professional background?
Okay, so basically, I am Aryan Singla from Chandigarh. I have done BBA and I scored 72.6% in my graduation. I have scored 91.3% in 10th and 82% in 12th. Apart from that, as you know, I have scored 99 percentile plus in CAT.
So what was your VARC preparation strategy? Which section did you prefer to do first?
Okay, in case of VRC, I always prefer to do the RC section first. And for preparing RCs, I had a very clear strategy. I used to simply practice 2 to 3 RCs daily. And apart from that, I used to learn 10 to 15 new words every day.
So, for choosing the right comprehension passage, which strategy did you follow?
Okay, so in case of RCs, I had a simple strategy. I used to first skim through all the passages in around 5 to 10 minutes of the designated 40 minutes. Then I decided to do the passages which I found easiest.
What resources did you use for your VARC preparation? Did you read any novels or specific essays that helped you?
So basically, I'm a avid reader of novels, and I read novels regularly. And I used to find the comprehension passages from various websites like Cracked, Gorilla, and all. And I use those passages to do the practice.
So, Aryan, as we wrap up, what advice would you like to give up to the future parents?
To future CAT aspirants, I would like to say that they should remain calm and composed while attempting the CAT exam, and they need not spend a lot of time daily for doing CAT. Instead, they should have a focused preparation strategy.
Thank you, Aryan. It was great.
Thank you.